what is my objective and what is my goal about the creation the menu for spirit. My goals and my passions or my objective is just only to make the people happy when you're dining in the restaurant and you can explore about the real authentic Thai cuisine. Since I was young, when I grew up with my mom and I been in the kitchen with her, and during that time I just, saw whatever she cooked and whatever she managed with the staff in the kitchen to cook for all the members of the family. All the ingredients that I put it in the menus, I use the local ingredients mainly, not mainly all. Because when you're cooking for the authentic Thai cuisine, it means that you need to use the local ingredients. If you're creating for the authentic Thai cuisine and you use for the imported ingredients, it's not going to be the real authentic Thai cuisine. And normally for the other kitchen, we use the tamarind, and the tamarind it will be tasty, but it will come with the color. And I don't want to have that type of color because it's going to be dark brown, and it's not going to make the food very nice presentation. That's why I use the other local fruit. We call it madan, but it comes in season. But in here we know how to keep it, and we can have it to use the whole year round. In that lotus stem, we use the madan, madan juice to make it more sour, and the taste will be the same. And normally for in the raw cuisine, some of the menu that use the tamarind, we will substitute with the madan because of the tamarind have their own color that make the food a bit more darker or more brown. But the madan, they have the color is slightly like a lamb. Then it doesn't make the food more brown or more darker, and the taste itself of the madan slightly the same as tamarind.